Today we're making this plant hanger with a fringe. All the materials are listed in the description below. You want to start by putting the 4 cords through your ring and then make sure they're equal lengths on either side of the ring. You want to take your 75 centimeter length of cord, place it in front of the other cords with the tail slightly above the ring, make a loop coming up from the bottom, hold both of those pieces with your thumb, take the right longer length and wrap it around all of the cords, including the loop you just made. When you've made as many wraps as you like, take the end, put it through the loop from the front to the back. I hold onto the wraps as well as the tail with one hand, and then you pull on the top cord, and you pull. You keep pulling till you pull the original loop up behind all these other cords. You can't see it, but it's probably about here now. Now I'm going to take my scissors and cut off both of those ends. Go down about 50 centimeters from the bottom of your gathering knot and do an overhand knot with 2 cords. Do the same thing with the other 3 sets of 2 cords and line them up with the first knot. From one knotted group, take a cord, and from a knotted group next to it, take 1 cord from there, and about 3 inches down, make an overhand knot. Do the same thing with all of the cords. Keep the knots in line with each other. About 2 inches below the last row of knots, do a gathering knot to bring all the cords together. Before you trim the ends of the gathering knot, place your pot into the plant hanger to make sure you like the way it fits. If you'd like to make any adjustments, you can just pull this bottom cord and you can undo the gathering knot. I like the way mine fits, so I'm going to pull it back up and I'm going to trim the ends of the cord. I find it's easier to do this part with the pot in the plant hanger, but you absolutely don't have to do this. Now you're going to take one of your 75 centimeter lengths and we're going to cover up this knot. Take one end of the cord and put it behind this diagonal, and take the other end and put it through this one. When you pull the cords through, pull them through the loop like you're making a lark's head knot. And just make that snug. Take another 75 centimeter length and wrap it around the diagonal cord with the lark's head knot. Take another 75 centimeter cord, place it behind the diagonal, and pull it through, making another lark's head knot. Keep doing this until the whole diagonal is full. And now do the same thing all the way around the entire pot. And now you can cut the fringe however you like. If there's a tutorial you'd like me to cover, please let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.